5 bags of these chips will really make you parched. I'll just grab a drink from the fridge, maybe something sparkling or... Oh my gosh, this fridge is filthy and full of fingerprints. Ugh. No need to worry. I know exactly what to do to get this stainless steel polished and shining like new. All I need is a spray bottle, vinegar, warm water, olive oil, a clean towel, and a microfiber cloth. First, I'm adding 1 cup of warm water into the spray bottle. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of the white vinegar into the spray bottle. Now I'm placing the lid back on and giving it a good shake to make sure it mixes together. Next, I'm spraying the mixture directly onto the stainless steel surface and using my clean towel to wipe away any grime and fingerprints, wiping in the same direction as the grain. Then I'm pouring some olive oil onto my microfiber cloth and using it to polish the stainless steel, again wiping in the same direction as the grain. After about 20 minutes, I'm buffing away any extra oil spots and I'm good to go. My stainless steel fridge is now polished and fingerprint free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, there's so much more where that came from. Visit ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.